And I said, hey, 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 hey. I said, hey, what's going on? And I tried. Oh my God, do I try? I try it all the time. This institution. And I pray. Oh my God, do I pray? I pray every single day for this revolution. And so I cry sometimes when I'm lying in bed, just to get it all out what's in my head. And I'm feeling just a little peculiar. And so I wake up in the morning and step outside, and I take a deep breath, get real high, and I scream top of my lungs, what's